Ebook 4 Steps to Grow High-Quality Leads with Paid Ads for B2C and E-Commerce Stores. Swipe my free 41-page ebook with proven copy and paste strategies to generate low-cost leads and sales from Google Ads, Facebook Ads. In this ebook, I want to share with you, with one simple change, how to quickly and easily create, or find, image copywriting to get massive improvement in ROI. 4 types of images to use on product pages to convert visitors into leads and sales. All are drawn from the experience of working for e-commerce businesses selling high-priced products such as furniture, home decoration, at my marketing agency for over 3 years. Click to download to get your free ebook with all 4 simple steps and template inside.